Good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. We're down at the 962 High Street Old House Project. Drove down to Alabama yesterday to the HB&G factory. Picked up our fluted columns, raised panel bases. With all the COVID issues, it's been a nightmare trying to get materials. We've been on order since the 1st of September. And we decided it was quicker to go get them. I'm going to be removing these columns, removing the rail structure. I think we're going to try to go with some ornamental iron for the railings, especially to make that radius. The goal today will be to get these columns removed. Use a hydraulic jack, lift each section, place the column. Got a great exterior paint finish going on. Dealey Contractors is getting our heart pine floors refinished. They're doing an awesome job on that. I'll keep you posted with the finished product. As always, if you need quality historical renovations, custom carpentry, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.